going to create a unicorn pinata all by myself using this kit from Toykraftt. This art and craft activity will enable you to make a unicorn pinata which you can use for a theme birthday party. The Toykraftt kit includes card cutouts, mount board pieces, printed paper, corrugated strips, colored tissue paper, craft glue, cord, masking tape, and an illustrated manual. You can make this craft item by following the instructions provided. This simple craft activity helps in developing my concentration and patience. It also provides hours of craft activity and fun. I'm so happy by the way it turned out. It was worth the time and hard work. You must try this.